Namaskar. Healthy gums help to maintain your lovely smile. Gums are the teeth supporting structure that holds them in place and acts as the barrier for bacteria. Without the gums, the bacteria and food debris will go into the deeper part of teeth. Some people observe little blood on the brush while brushing the teeth or after eating something hard and solid. This can be because of gum disease. Today, we are going to discuss about bleeding gums. Nowadays, this problem is increasing and it is found that it is more in children and youngsters because of their wrong food habit and lack of hygiene of oral mouth. The food we eat, especially sugary snacks, as well as food that sticks to your teeth like milk, honey, soda, sugar, cakes, cookies, dry fruits and chips. They get collected on the tooth enamel if they are not cleaned properly. The bacteria in your mouth feeds on sugar and starchy food. These bacteria produces acids that forms plaque on the gums. Over time, plaque and tartar irritates the gum, causing gum inflammation around the base of teeth. This would make the gums weak and they might bleed easily. Gum bleeding could be due to majority of other reasons like gingivitis, a disease which causes inflammation of gum, not brushing twice daily, using a toothbrush that is too hard and stiff, using an old and worn out toothbrush which doesn't do the purpose of brushing at all, and conditions like diabetes and leukemia. Even though gum bleeding sounds alarming, but it could be treated in the early stages very well and we could always prevent these problems. Actually, you should always begin with preventive methods to avoid bleeding problems. I would share some effective technique to see that the gums stop bleeding. First one, gargle with TRIPHALA water. TRIPHALA herb is a very effective herb which definitely helps in bleeding gum as well as gingivitis. Astringent property in TRIPHALA is effective in stopping bleeding. Gargling with TRIPHALA kadha 2-3 times in a day would stop bleeding and really prevent gingivitis. Add 1 teaspoonful of TRIPHALA powder in a glass of hot water. Let it stay for 5 minutes. Let the TRIPHALA settle down and then strain the water and gargle when it is at body temperature. You can get this TRIPHALA powder in any Ayurvedic store very easily. Second, apply clove oil. One of the very effective treatment for bleeding gum is clove oil. Rub few drops of clove oil with finger, massage it on your gum or take 2 cloves every day. Sometimes it may cause little burning sensation, but it would significantly release the inflammation. Third, increase vitamin C intake. Increasing the intake of vitamin C will definitely avoid gum bleeding. So, add citrus fruits like oranges, sweet lime, kiwi, even pineapple, and the main is amla. And also add berries, raspberries and blueberries in your daily life. Fourth, apply turmeric paste. Infection either in the tooth or gums may cause gum bleeding. You can take little honey, put turmeric and make a paste out of it and rub that on your gums as well as tooth. This would help relieve the symptoms of gingivitis and bleeding gum. Turmeric has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Fifth, eat crunchy vegetables. Crunchy vegetables like celery and carrot will keep your teeth healthy. The crunchiness will help removal of food residue in between your teeth. They have low sugar and carb, and that's why they are much more healthy for our gums and teeth. Sixth, hygiene practices. Most of the oral problems could be solved because of simple hygiene practices. This includes not just brushing, but also rinsing your mouth after brushing. Moving finger on the gums and massaging gums is most important. Swish drinking water in your mouth 4-5 times after you finish your food. You can also gargle with warm salt water to prevent inflammation and infection. Neem twigs are another effective solution to prevent gum problems. Chew a fresh neem twig. Chew it well, make it into brush form, brush it, and then gargle. This would really help preventing all oral problems. Seventh, gandush. Gandush or oil pulling is an age-old technique. This technique will help to clean the mouth and remove the plaque which otherwise can bother you. You can either use sesame oil, coconut oil, even powdered sesame mixed with lukewarm water. Hold this oil or lukewarm water and swish around in your mouth for 2-3 minutes. Throw it out and wash your mouth with fresh water. Apart from these excellent techniques, you must see that the toothbrush which you are using is a right type. It should not be a hard toothbrush. It should be medium or better soft toothbrush. And always see that you change your brush at least once in a month and carry on to have a better oral hygiene. Children, when they eat something like chocolates or something which is very sticky, even after brushing, their teeth remain still unhygienic. So better you should tell children that after eating chocolate or anything, they should eat a handful of gram, roasted gram, chana, and chew it up, or eat something like a carrot, eat the slice of carrot and chew it up, and that would help cleaning teeth as well as gum. So take care of all these things. These are all simple practical techniques which you can very easily apply into your life and prevent oral problems. Take care of yourself. You are responsible for your health, nobody else. So try and keep healthy and smile well. Namaskar.